What is a synonym for abundant? Options: A. Scarce, B. Plentiful, C. Meager, D. Rare. Answer: B. Plentiful. Abundant and plentiful both describe something in large quantities. Choose the synonym for benevolent. Options: A. Malevolent, B. Kind, C. Hostile, D. Unfriendly. Answer: B. Kind. Benevolent means showing kindness, which aligns with kind. What is the synonym for diligent? Options: A. Lazy, B. Hardworking, C. Negligent, D. Idle. Answer: B. Hardworking. Diligent refers to being hardworking and attentive. Find the synonym for elaborate. Options: A. Simple, B. Detailed, C. Vague, D. Brief. Answer: B. Detailed. Elaborate means to be detailed and complex. Choose the synonym for fragile. Options: A. Strong, B. Sturdy, C. Delicate, D. Robust. Answer: C. Delicate. Fragile refers to something that is delicate and easily broken. What is the synonym for generous? Options: A. Stingy, B. Selfish, C. Charitable, D. Greedy. Answer: C. Charitable. Generous and charitable both describe a willingness to give and help others. Find the synonym for hostile. Options: A. Friendly, B. Warm, C. Aggressive, D. Amiable. Answer: C. Aggressive. Hostile means showing aggression or unfriendly behavior. Choose the synonym for inevitable. Options: A. Uncertain, B. Unpredictable, C. Certain, D. Avoidable. Answer: C. Certain. Inevitable means something that is certain to happen. What is the synonym for jovial? Options: A. Sad, B. Cheerful, C. Gloomy, D. Depressed. Answer: B. Cheerful. Jovial describes a cheerful and friendly mood. Find the synonym for keen. Options: A. Dull, B. Enthusiastic, C. Indifferent, D. Uninterested. Answer: B. Enthusiastic. Keen refers to being enthusiastic and eager. Choose the synonym for lethargic. Options: A. Energetic, B. Active, C. Sluggish, D. Dynamic. Answer: C. Sluggish. Lethargic means feeling sluggish and lacking energy. What is the synonym for meticulous? Options: A. Careless, B. Precise, C. Hasty, D. Imprecise. Answer: B. Precise. Meticulous describes a high level of precision and attention to detail. Find the synonym for noble. Options: A. Dishonorable, B. Honorable, C. Unworthy, D. Mean. Answer: B. Honorable. Noble means having high moral qualities, similar to honorable. Choose the synonym for obscure. Options: A. Clear, B. Vivid, C. Unclear, D. Bright. Answer: C. Unclear. Obscure means something that is not clear or easy to understand. What is the synonym for plausible? Options: A. Improbable, B. Likely, C. Doubtful, D. Unbelievable. Answer: B. Likely. Plausible describes something that is likely or reasonable. Find the synonym for quaint. Options: A. Modern, B. Old-fashioned, C. Trendy, D. New. Answer: B. Old-fashioned. Quaint means attractively old-fashioned. Choose the synonym for resilient. Options: A. Rigid, B. Stiff, C. Flexible, D. Unyielding. Answer: C. Flexible. Resilient describes something that can recover quickly from difficulties. What is the synonym for sincere? Options: A. Insincere, B. Genuine, C. Fake, D. False. Answer: B. Genuine. Sincere means being genuine and honest. Find the synonym for tedious. Options: A. Exciting, B. Boring, C. Interesting, D. Engaging. Answer: B. Boring. Tedious describes something that is boring and monotonous. Choose the synonym for urgent. Options: A. Delayable, B. Immediate, C. Postponable, D. Optional. Answer: B. Immediate. Urgent means needing immediate attention or action. What is the synonym for vivid? Options: A. Dull, B. Bright, C. Dim, D. Faint. Answer: B. Bright. Vivid refers to something that is very bright and colorful. Find the synonym for wary. Options: A. Trusting, B. Cautious, C. Careless, D. Reckless. Answer: B. Cautious. Wary means being cautious and watchful. Choose the synonym for xenophobic. Options: A. Friendly, B. Open-minded, C. Intolerant, D. Accepting. Answer: C. Intolerant. Xenophobic describes an intolerance or fear of outsiders. What is the synonym for yearn? Options: A. Despise, B. Desire, C. Reject, D. Ignore. Answer: B. Desire. Yearn means to have a deep desire or longing. Find the synonym for zealous. Options: A. Apathetic, B. Enthusiastic, C. Indifferent, D. Uninterested. Answer: B. Enthusiastic. Zealous describes being fervently devoted or enthusiastic. Choose the synonym for abandon. Options: A. Retain, B. Forsake, C. Keep, D. Preserve. Answer: B. Forsake. Abandon means to forsake or leave something behind. What is the synonym for beneath? Options: A. Above, B. Over, C. Under, D. On. Answer: C. Under. Beneath means situated under or below something. Find the synonym for contemplate. Options: A. Ignore, B. Consider, C. Dismiss, D. Neglect. Answer: B. Consider. Contemplate means to think about or consider deeply. Choose the synonym for detrimental. Options: A. Beneficial, B. Harmful, C. Helpful, D. Advantageous. Answer: B. Harmful. Detrimental describes something that causes harm or damage. What is the synonym for elated? Options: A. Depressed, B. Joyful, C. Sad, D. Angry. Answer: B. Joyful. Elated means to be very happy or joyful. Find the synonym for frivolous. Options: A. Serious, B. Trivial, C. Important, D. Significant. Answer: B. Trivial. Frivolous means lacking in seriousness or importance. Choose the synonym for genuine. Options: A. Fake, B. Authentic, C. Phony, D. False. Answer: B. Authentic. Genuine means being authentic and real. What is the synonym for harsh? Options: A. Gentle, B. Severe, C. Soft, D. Mild. Answer: B. Severe. Harsh describes something that is severe and not gentle. Find the synonym for indifferent. Options: A. Interested, B. Unconcerned, C. Engaged, D. Passionate. Answer: B. Unconcerned. Indifferent means having no particular interest or concern. Choose the synonym for judicious. Options: A. Unwise, B. Prudent, C. Reckless, D. Impulsive. Answer: B. Prudent. Judicious refers to showing good judgment and wisdom. What is a synonym for abandon? Options: A. Retain, B. Forsake, C. Hold, D. Keep. Answer: B. Forsake. Abandon means to forsake or leave something behind. Choose the synonym for benevolent. Options: A. Malevolent, B. Kind-hearted, C. Hostile, D. Unkind. Answer: B. Kind-hearted. Benevolent describes a person who is kind-hearted and well-meaning. What is the synonym for candid? Options: A. Secretive, B. Open, C. Evasive, D. Hidden. Answer: B. Open. Candid means being open and honest in expression. Find the synonym for difficult. Options: A. Easy, B. Challenging, C. Simple, D. Effortless. Answer: B. Challenging. Difficult means something that is challenging and not easy to accomplish. Choose the synonym for eloquent. Options: A. Inarticulate, B. Persuasive, C. Mute, D. Silent. Answer: B. Persuasive. Eloquent refers to being persuasive and well-spoken. What is the synonym for fragile? Options: A. Durable, B. Sturdy, C. Brittle, D. Tough. Answer: C. Brittle. Fragile means delicate and easily broken, similar to brittle. Find the synonym for generous. Options: A. Greedy, B. Benevolent, C. Selfish, D. Stingy. Answer: B. Benevolent. Generous and benevolent both refer to a willingness to give and help others. Choose the synonym for haughty. Options: A. Humble, B. Arrogant, C. Modest, D. Meek. Answer: B. Arrogant. Haughty describes a person who is arrogantly superior and disdainful. What is the synonym for innocuous? Options: A. Harmful, B. Benign, C. Dangerous, D. Toxic. Answer: B. Benign. Innocuous means something that is not harmful or offensive, similar to benign. Find the synonym for jeopardy. Options: A. Safety, B. Risk, C. Security, D. Protection. Answer: B. Risk. Jeopardy refers to exposure to danger or risk. Choose the synonym for naughty. Options: A. Simple, B. Complicated, C. Straightforward, D. Easy. Answer: B. Complicated. Naughty describes something that is complicated or difficult to solve. What is the synonym for luminous? Options: A. Dark, B. Shiny, C. Dull, D. Gloomy. Answer: B. Shiny. Luminous means emitting light or shining brightly. Find the synonym for meticulous. Options: A. Careless, B. Detailed, C. Hasty, D. Negligent. Answer: B. Detailed. Meticulous refers to paying great attention to detail. Choose the synonym for naive. Options: A. Sophisticated, B. Innocent, C. Worldly, D. Experienced. Answer: B. Innocent. Naive describes someone who is innocent and lacking experience. What is the synonym for obscure? Options: A. Clear, B. Vague, C. Bright, D. Shiny. Answer: B. Vague. Obscure means not clear or hard to understand. Find the synonym for perplexed. Options: A. Confused, B. Certain, C. Clear, D. Understanding. Answer: A. Confused. Perplexed means feeling confused and puzzled. Choose the synonym for quaint. Options: A. Modern, B. Charming, C. Contemporary, D. New. Answer: B. Charming. Quaint describes something charmingly old-fashioned. What is the synonym for rejuvenate? Options: A. Deplete, B. Restore, C. Exhaust, D. Weaken. Answer: B. Restore. Rejuvenate means to restore to a more youthful or energetic state. Find the synonym for stagnant. Options: A. Flowing, B. Motionless, C. Moving, D. Active. Answer: B. Motionless. Stagnant describes something that is motionless and not flowing. Choose the synonym for tranquil. Options: A. Agitated, B. Calm, C. Disturbed, D. Loud. Answer: B. Calm. Tranquil means peaceful and calm. What is the synonym for ubiquitous? Options: A. Rare, B. Everywhere, C. Uncommon, D. Hidden. Answer: B. Everywhere. Ubiquitous means present or existing everywhere. Find the synonym for verbose. Options: A. Concise, B. Wordy, C. Brief, D. Terse. Answer: B. Wordy. Verbose describes someone who uses more words than necessary. Choose the synonym for vivid. Options: A. Dim, B. Bright, C. Faint, D. Dark. Answer: B. Bright. Vivid means bright and intense in color or detail. What is the synonym for wary? Options: A. Trusting, B. Cautious, C. Careless, D. Unconcerned. Answer: B. Cautious. Wary means cautious and watchful, especially to avoid danger. Find the synonym for zealous. Options: A. Apathetic, B. Enthusiastic, C. Indifferent, D. Uninterested. Answer: B. Enthusiastic. Explanation: zealous describes having great energy or enthusiasm in pursuit of a cause.